really deep infatuation. It's the same with art, because when you get into art and drawing and painting, you begin to realize that if you look at all of our great predecessors, from Da Vinci to Einstein to Tesla and all of these great phenomena, all of them studied art and music. So I had to get in.
Materialize reality, or your ability to manifest reality, begins to increase exponentially. This exponential growth is a byproduct of how you are immersed into the art itself, because the art is like a ritual. It is a ritual. It's a ceremony, but it's an artistic ceremony. It's an artistic ceremony. When there's an impact, the impact creates a vibration. This vibration creates a force. This force creates energy, and this energy travels at 700 miles an hour. It has.
So, being able to write and compose music, understanding the physics of music is inevitable. It helps.
Expanding bubble. So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles an hour. That's amplitude, a frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates.